Cars show. Detected. So, what were your plans for this week, since Fillmore is now world famous like that? What did you ask, man? Well, heard it from here. Why is it that he's that world famous? Huh. We'll show him. But too late, man. I already shown you guys. Who am I kidding? Lightning, what's your next stupid plan?
I don't know. Maybe I've got an idea. A very shining idea. That's it. Get them out of here, and I will win. Or not.
Lightning, there you are. We're here, and we've moved there ever since. Well, I did definitely miss you guys since we defeated Captain Patch. Oh, that's good, Lightning. Good times. Now, would you like to hear something a little scary? What? The detector is coming. Oh, Jesus. Hope he doesn't fall on me. That's right, Lightning. He'll fall on everyone, including us. What now? The detector will go ahead, detect your problems, and then you'll be out of here. Out of here? Oh. Lightning, what's the next stupid plan supposed to be? Oh, don't worry. We'll take down this guy at once. Lightning, how's this gonna work? You'll see, Rotor, you'll see. Come on, guys. Okay. If you insist. And there it is, hiding near the tunnel. Hiding near the tunnel? Is this our old cove? No. Why don't you guys go ahead with me? Fine. Yes, we'll fine do it. How about this, man? What? What is this? Yeah, you'll see. Oh man, Lightning's in trouble. We gotta get him. Fast. Okay then. Lightning's in trouble, I'll get him. Only if you have something rightful for yourself. What about me? Krusty, you stay here. Okay. Wait a minute. What's with everything?
Lightning, there you are, buddy.
What?
Look over there.
What? So, this is how it ends. I'm Sage Vanderspin. No, I'm Sage Vanderspin. And I'm Sage Vanderspin. I'm the real Sage. I'm the real Sage. Get lost. No, I'm the real Sage. Okay. If you're the real Sage, identify who is Krusty Rotor. Who the hell is Krusty Rotor? Get out of here, you imposter. How dare you become all strong and then shoot to push the top. Uh-oh. Wait, who's that pushing the top guy? Me. But you're not the real Sage. Oh, Jesus Christ. Help, help. Right, so this is how it ends, Mater. Defeated by our own doppelgangers. Well, don't worry, Lightning. Go!
How was that so slow?
Wow, we're so close to defeating them. Let's get their hands up. We're dead. Yes, you bet. Can we break in now?
Of course, guys. Follow me in. Oof.
Hey, he fits. What's going on here? Oh my god. Sage, go. Hey, how are you guys doing? We're doing fine. How about you, Sage? Jonathan, ha ha, miss me. Ha ha. Never underestimate with the number 80, Sage Vanderspin. Uh-oh. Get him! Get him! Let's go. Run.
Who the hell is the detector anyway?
Sage, why would we ever wait on the other side?
Wait for me.
Oh no. Guys, wait up. Me either.
Yeah. Ooh, that's perfect. How do I look?
You look great, Mater.
Thank you.
It's about time you guys are shown. Thankfully, I'll be having another coat of paint. Hey, Lightning. How about you? Well, I guess I can say, but, everything worse. Well, that's nothing, really. Come on, I'll show you around. Oh, no thanks. And where are you going this time? Well, we're going out for seafood. Anybody want some? Sure, I'm in. Alright, let's go. Seafood, seafood, seafood. These doppelgangers don't do much anyhow. I'm telling you, what do I have to do for myself? So, Lightning, what has gotten into you expectingly? Oh, something. Just say.
So, stickers, how about that?
You would pay to see us do that? Yeah, how would we? Well, we're going to paradise. Paradise? How about that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Chick Hicks has met someone called Candace. Candace! Lightning, you're not telling me about this Candace thing. Relax. We only booked a vacation there. Ugh.
Well, at least we are anyway.
Well, Sally, my friend, I guess that's it. I'll see you sometime, Lightning. I'll get to you anywhere.
Huh. How about that?
Well, I didn't know you was a girl.
Well, I didn't know you said B.
1 + 1 is let's make babies.
Ew.
Hey, someone. Are you watching this? Yes, it's me, Todd Marcus. And I just taken anyone to paradise, including my good friend Lightning. So, anyone out there? Shave ice, get your shave ice. Oh boy, some shave ice. Maybe I'll see you someday. I'll get to you next time, Lightning. And okay.
Hello, someone.
Hi, Candace.
Where you from?
Dieselton, Alabama.
It's not like my home.
Then where exactly are you from?
Oh, you'll find out.
Where are you guys going? Well,
Santa Cabrera.
okay. I suggest you guys get in the van. Santa Cabrera, here we go.
That's right. Todd Marcus booked a vacation to Santa Cabrera.
That's it. Santa Cabrera. Sally, you're the best.